How to log into Bigo Live account. First of all, launch Bigo Live application on your device. Then when you reach on the live page, you need to select Me at bottom right corner of the screen. At top, select Sign In button and here you got the different ways to sign in. You can sign in with a phone, Facebook, Google, Twitter, vContact and Apple. For now, let's select Sign In with phone. And after a while, you will reach on the sign in page where you have to enter all your credentials like phone number and password. But before that, enter your country or region as well and enter your country's phone number. After a while, select the password and enter your password. In case if you forget password, you can select forget password and easily recover from there. So let's select login button. So earlier our account was submitted for deletion. So let's select cancel account deletion and continue to our account. So here we can see that we have successfully logged into our Bigo Live account. So that is how we log in or sign into our Bigo Live account. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos.